All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the stock market here, and more importantly, my dividend growth portfolio here within my M1 Finance account. All right, so the account's currently at $4,548, guys, with $173 coming off gains. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the market, but it's a crazy up and down ride, guys. So extreme volatility in the market. At one point in the day, you're up. One point in the day, you're down. Then it ends up being up again. So crazy market time right now, guys. I still anticipate more volatility be on the way. However, the most important thing is to remain consistent with your investing and utilizing my stair-step method, guys. All right. Even though the market is falling close to 7% from its all-time highs, that's just the S&P 500. That's the one that I track. The Qs, I think, have fallen more than 8 to 10%. However, like I said, the one I'm tracking is the S&P 500. So the SPY. So it recently fell, like I said, close to 7%. And despite that, we have $173 worth of gains, $17 coming off of dividends, $155 coming off of market gain. All right, these are just some of the positions I'm in right now. Just go through them really quickly so you guys can see how they're performing. All right, and then this is my main pie here. So total gains for my main pie is $131. The portfolio balance within my main pie is $2,863. And remember, guys, every time the market tanks or takes a dip, this account is geared towards that. So every time the market pulls back, I'm going to be buying into all my positions so I could keep on averaging down my cost so that once it recovers, I'll be ahead of where I was if I were to just hold on to my positions. And in the meantime, I'm going to be gaining dividends. These are the positions here so you guys can see the performance. All right, guys. So what I mainly do is that any position that drops heavily, I buy in more aggressively into those because I keep on trying to average down my cost even more. All right, guys. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to be holding on to these positions long term. And I've been showing you guys the results and the dividends that I've been receiving. So far, the dividends for just my first pie is $9.08. But total dividends on the account is $17. And I still anticipate more to be underway because we have a lot of ex-dividend dates coming up, like for Stag, for Realty Income, for Good, Glad, Gain. What else? Verizon. So we have all these ex-dividend dates coming up. As long as you hold on to a stock throughout its ex-dividend date, you'll be entitled to a dividend. Okay, so let's say tomorrow, let's just give an example for Verizon. Verizon tomorrow has its ex-dividend date. So basically, if you hold throughout that date, you're entitled. So you get recorded as a holder of that stock. So you're entitled to a dividend regardless of whether you sell the stock after tomorrow's date. So as long as you close in possession of the stock tomorrow, you'll basically be rewarded with the dividend, and then you can sell it the next day, guys. All right, guys, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That way we can share our information with as many investors as possible. I appreciate the help and support you guys have been giving me on my channel. We keep on growing daily. And like I said, we'll be able to expand this channel, and I'll be able to show you guys more content and more strategies so that you guys, like the wealthy, can build financial freedom, guys. All right, so that's the name of this game, financial freedom. Build enough cash flow so that you're able to sustain all your daily activities and never have to worry about money again, guys. Catch you on the next video.